What is going on, guys? So we're on the way to the dealership. I gotta get a fuel injector, put it in the bike. Supposedly there's a recall on it, so I gotta go take that. And then a buddy of mine has a dyno, and we're gonna go take it to his and put it on a dyno, just to see what, just to see what it's making. It'll be kind of interesting. I don't know if anyone's really, I know a couple people's put the 21s on a dyno, but no one's put the 2021 CRF450RWE on a dyno with the Twisted Development ECU reflash, which we just got, as you can see in the video. But so we got the reflash done from Twisted Development, and man, the bike is 100% like completely different machine. So we got that done, and then I just have to get this fuel injector replaced, and we're good to go. I can ride again, start using the bike again, so I'm excited. We got it in here at the back. But yeah, so we're on the way here. Been driving for almost 2 hours and 40 minutes, so we're just on the way. We should be there in 13 minutes. See you guys once we get there. Actually, well, I'll see you once I get you, once we get to my buddy's house with dyno, because there's not really a point of videoing a fuel injector. So yeah, see you guys once we get there. So yeah, I'll put the photos up of the dyno chart on here, and then also I'll put up a comparison like from the stock to what it is now with the Twisted Development. So we just got done with dyno in the bike, as you just seen. The bike from stock, it made, I believe, 2 more horsepower than stock, but the biggest difference was with the Twisted Development. Yeah, you're gaining 2 horsepower, but the thing that really is a big difference is that where it drops on the dyno chart, where the bog is, it completely moves it to a higher part of the revs, if that makes sense. So you literally do not notice it. Like, for someone at a normal level of riding will not notice it, unless you're like Justin Braiding or something like that, or Roxon or something like that. You will notice it. They have noticed it, and they even brought it up. But I mean, once you have a vortex ignition, you can completely get that away. But yeah, no, I was really impressed. It's a huge difference from stock's map, and yeah, I can't be happier. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy this video. No, it's nothing crazy, but not every day you gotta go take your bike on a dyno, or get the injector, or not the injector, go get the maps all changed on it and dyno it. So it was cool to actually go see a difference, and not just get it done and be like, wow, I feel a difference. We can actually physically see the difference. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you hit up Twisted Development. and Jamie will take care of you for sure. And yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and don't forget about the $100 gift card giveaway. We'll be doing that at 1,000 subscribers, so be ready. Thank you guys.